commanded detection and jamming system integrates functions of drone detection, jamming, and spoofing. The system adopts a highly integrated design, detection radius around 3 km and 5 km. The detection band can cover 30 mHz to 60 GHz, achieve all-round coverage and precise jamming, improving the efficiency and accuracy of low-altitude security defense. It can be widely used in public safety. The equipment adopts integrated design, convenient installation, good consignment, and strong adaptabilities. It integrates passive detection, accurate identification, precise jamming, and navigational spoofing. It can realize the detection and identification, directional finding, jamming, and forced landing of the unauthorized drones. The equipment supports intended functions. It can be operated manually or automatically through the onboard display and control terminals. The drone detection and jamming tasks can be operated while the vehicle is moving. The equipment enters the detection mode when it is turned on. When the drone is detected, the equipment terminal sends an alarm. The software platform will display the number of detected drones, models, electronic fingerprint, frequency, directions, distance, altitude, and other information. At the same time, the equipment can contact real-time positioning and trajectory, tracking of the drone and pilot, assist with the pilot capture. Users can implement countermeasures such as wideband jamming, precision jamming, or navigational spoofing on drones according to the actual situations. After the intended mode is enabled, the system automatically filters the whitelist drones. Jamming only affects on unauthorized drones. Click Event button to view event duration, model, identification code, frequency, and other information. Click the whitelist button to set the whitelist of the drone. Click the Statistics button to view the drone statistics report. Click Device button to view and monitor the basic device running status of controllers, engines, and sensors in a timely manner.